Hey, I just want to give this out to my family at home, my beautiful girlfriend, my daughter. Hey, how you guys doing?
What are you doing?
So what is it?
What are you doing?
What is this?
Oh, it is a new version of the capital ship.
Oh yeah?
And it is probably the size of Sydney.
Cool.
Yeah, and that's what it has the same ability, but it has greater energy.
And does it go zoom too?
Yes, it can jump into the
And what's the noise limit?